1967 Ford Mustang Fastback is a true icon of American muscle, combining timeless design, raw power, and unmatched charisma. When Ford introduced this model, it was clear they had created something special, a car that would capture the hearts of enthusiasts for generations. Under the hood, the 1967 Mustang Fastback offered a variety of engine options to suit every kind of driver. At the top of the lineup was the mighty 390 cubic inch V8, part of the GT package. This engine delivered 320 horsepower and enough torque to leave competitors in its dust. Whether cruising the highway or burning rubber on the drag strip, the Mustang Fastback delivered a thrilling driving experience. The design of the 1967 Fastback is instantly recognizable. Its long hood, short rear deck, and sloping roofline give it a sleek, aggressive stance. The Fastback's signature louvers and side scoops weren't just about looks, they added to its aerodynamic appeal, making it stand out from the crowd. And let us not forget those iconic dual exhausts, which let everyone know this car wasn't just about style, it was about performance. Inside, the Mustang Fastback was just as impressive. The cabin was designed with the driver in mind, featuring a sporty dashboard layout and optional features like a wood-rimmed steering wheel and deluxe interior trim. The bucket seats provided both comfort and support, perfect for long road trips or spirited drives. Ford also offered plenty of customization options, from custom upholstery to a range of factory-installed accessories, making each Mustang unique to its owner. But the real magic of the 1967 Mustang Fastback came when you turned the key. The roar of the engine, the feel of the road, and the responsiveness of the steering made every drive unforgettable. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement of freedom and individuality. The 1967 Mustang Fastback wasn't just a street car, it also made its mark on the silver screen. This model became a Hollywood legend, most famously starring in the movie Bullitt, where it tore through the streets of San Francisco in one of the greatest car chases of all time. That performance cemented its status as a cultural icon and a symbol of cool. Today, the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback is a highly sought-after classic. Whether it's a fully restored showpiece or a weekend cruiser, this car represents a golden era of American automotive history. It's not just a car, it's a legacy, a reminder of a time when driving was about passion, excitement, and pure, unfiltered fun. What's your favorite feature of the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into a muscle car legend, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing automotive content from Carcraze. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.